Good morning, everybody. How's everybody doing? How we doing? Well, thank you for joining on this lovely Friday. I want to call a couple of students down who are being recognized by the College Board as AP Scholars. So these students receive scores of 3 or higher on at least 3 AP exams in their high school career. So we've got 3 students. I'll call them down individually and then we'll clap for all of them. Brody Davidson. Charles Byers. And Andrew Bryant. Alrighty, let's hear it for freshman teachers. Come on up. Let's hear, we can do better than that. Let's hear for our freshman teachers.
Our 9th grade student of the month can be described as prepared and ready to learn in English and science classes. They work well with peers, are engaged in class, and even in the short time we've been in school, it is obvious to see their education is important to them. They are soft-spoken, unassuming, smart, and humble. And this week they walked into a room of strangers and nailed the fall musical audition. Congratulations to Cam Overlock.
Congratulations, Cam. All right, from the other corner of the gym, let's welcome sophomore teacher. Sophomore teacher.
Good morning. This sophomore student has earned Student of the Month because he has shown strong confidence in the chemistry of the solar system this year. He consistently contributes to small group discussions, helping to push the class's scientific thinking forward and fostering a collaborative learning environment. His growing confidence serves as a role model for his peers, and it has been fantastic to see him come out of his shell, mature, and challenge himself academically by taking 2 honors math classes this year. He shows remarkable skill and is always willing to help other students when they have a question about a class that they have together. Even more importantly, he strives to include everyone, is not judgmental of differences, and makes others feel included and valued. This student is determined to succeed in both the classroom and on the sports field, and does not shy away from challenges. He really knows how to keep his eye on the ball, and his ideas often lead his peers and teammates to success. On the soccer field, he is a fast and tenacious defender who always takes care of his goalie. He is a model student when it comes to finding the most effective and productive way to meet his goals. And we are so proud that he is finding his stride as a young leader of Winslow High School. For these reasons, we are proud to recognize Nixon Subany as Student of the Month.
Congrats, Nixon. All right, all the way from this side of the gym, let's hear it up for the junior teachers. There we go.
This Black Raider is an important contributor in the classroom and hard worker in the sports arena. She's very patient and kind with her peers. This student pays careful attention to detail and to learning objectives. She puts forth great effort to master the content, even very complex tasks in high school level classes like Honors Pre-Calc, Honors Physics of the Universe, Honors English 11, Honors Chemistry 11, AP US History, and Spanish 3. Her positive attitude and friendly disposition are a model for others to follow. In her quiet way, through diligence and determination, she makes a big impact on Winslow High School. The Junior Student of the Month Award goes to a well-deserving member of her class and its new Vice President, Mira Meek.
Well deserved, Mira. Great job. All right. And to my right, let's hear it up for the senior teachers. All right, so as you noticed, we got more and more cheers as we went up through the grades, right? Next month, everybody needs to be like the seniors and really get up and hear it for your homeroom teachers. All righty, Mr. Goldsmith, you're up.
Good morning, how are you? I'm well. Okay, we are very pleased to present this Student of the Month to an individual who is not perfect. This individual does something that we should all strive for. They learn from their mistakes and make themselves better. Their personal accountability is just one of the reasons staff have taken notice of this Raider leader. Whether it's in class functions, being a stalwart during freshman orientation, fitting in seamlessly with all the students in our building, where they encourage everybody, helping to run unified PE, where Mrs. Loftus says the class wouldn't take place without them, or being a great leader and captain of the football team. We are very pleased to present this September Student of the Month to Broderick Bibson. And it also says on here that he has a pretty good singing voice as well.
Wait, you're a singer?
So, the soccer boosters in years past have hosted a community bonfire to celebrate homecoming. Athletics at the school, the police and fire departments, cheer and football boosters, Parks and Rec, and so many others support this effort, but it started with soccer. So that's why I'm here as co-president of the soccer boosters. This year we've been faced with drought conditions that have forced us to cancel the fire part of this community event. Instead, we'll still have, Instead, we're still gonna have the games, concessions like Aroma Joe's, pizza, popcorn, baked goods, and cotton candy. We'll have some amazing music from DJs Mel B and Play Study, and a special performance by our own amazing girls soccer goalie, and she's also a pretty good singer, Bella Lubia. Please encourage people at the elementary school, at the junior high, your friends and neighbors, family members to come show some Black Raider pride and come to the community pep rally from 6 to 7:30 in the Martins parking lot by the superintendent's office. This is on Friday the 19th from 6 to 7:30 p.m.
Huge round of applause for Mrs. Dagmar. And I want to say, on behalf of the entire student body and the community, thank you to the soccer boosters who put in a lot of hours to make sure that we're able to have a homecoming rally. And as disappointing as it is that we can't have a bonfire this year because of the drought, and there's no real rain in the near future, that the fire department felt like, yes, go ahead. What they told us was they wouldn't be able to give us an answer until Friday morning of next week. And since there's a lot of volunteer hours that go into it, trying on Friday to get a bonfire built and all set up, it just wasn't gonna be possible. So unfortunately, bonfire we can't do, but we can still come together as a school, as a community, show our Raider pride, and have fun at the same time. So please, make sure you still come out from 6 to 7:30 next Friday. It will be a lot of fun.